Hey, what's going on, my J-Hen travel crew? This is your boy J-Hen coming back to you guys with another unboxing video. Just want to show you guys some things I got for my at-home office space to get a little bit more organized here for 2025, you guys. And all the things that I show you are going to be linked down in the description down below. There'll be some links down there if you see something that you want in this video. So one of the first things that I'll be showing you guys that I ordered right here is these fine tip Live Deal 8 whiteboard markers. You get 8 different colors. You get a fine tip, and then they are magnetic, and you got about 8 different colors. So you know, these will come in handy because one of the things I got over here I'll be showing you is a dry erase board. So you do get, like I said, you get 8 different colors. They got the little magnet right there on the side. And you don't have to worry about having like an extra eraser, because right here, each one of the tips on the markers has its own eraser right there on the cap. So, you know, once you flip that around, get to writing and all that type of stuff, you got your eraser right there. And it's fine tip, so that way if you're writing on like a calendar, trying to make sure you print and that your print will be legible and readable and all that type of stuff, these will come in handy for those dry erase boards and things like that. And they're really good, and really high quality dry erase markers, 8 in the pack. So, you know, if I got some dry erase markers, I had to get something else. So I did get this hanging board here, this hanging dry erase board right here, magnetic dry erase whiteboard. So again, it does come with like the tab, so I'll be able to like have options if I want to stick it on the wall, or as you can see right here in front, there's that also that string right here, so that you can also have the option to hang it. So right here off the box, you get what you need to put this up and to get it going. And also right here, as you can see, this dry erase board does come with a dry erase marker that also has like the eraser right there on the tip, and then no need for a magnetic no need for a magnet on this dry erase marker, because there is like a clamp right here for you just to clamp that dry erase marker right there on the side. And it is also double-sided, so again, if you are using the wire and hanging it, you know, you can have notes on both sides and easily, you know, flip back and forth. You can do it, hang it different ways. Well, I guess not with this string. You would have to hang it horizontally, but if you use the stickers or something else that you had to hang it up, then you could hang it this way, you know, or that way, depending on what you're using to hang it up. So that's one thing right there. And then this next thing, let's see, this came inside an envelope, so we'll open this up. I'm hoping this should be like my wall calendar that I ordered. That's what I'm thinking this is. It's like a wall dry erase wall calendar, but I'm wondering why it came inside of this envelope. So again, everything came off Amazon. If you're new to the channel, go ahead, hit that subscribe button down below. Okay, right here, falling out of here, it does give you like some little sticky tabs, because I was worried about this. I thought I was gonna have to go to the store and buy me some putty, or order some putty off of Amazon if I didn't feel like going to the store. But guess what? It has the sticky adhesive pieces right here to use to stick this on the wall. And then as we open this up, you can see I got a full calendar, monthly calendar. And so you can use this for different months. All you have to do is just write in the dates, and you can write in the month at the top. I don't know, it's so wrinkled up, but I guess it's just going to be for an at-home display. Nobody will really be seeing it that much because it's going to be in my bedroom office space that I have. I got a real huge room, master bedroom, so you know. But it does have the lines on there. Again, I got those fine print markers, fine tipped dry erase markers, so that I can write in those lines. You know, you can write the actual date right there in the square. And then let's see at the bottom. Then at the bottom, there's lots of space to put like extra notes down at the bottom. So there is that long rectangle down there at the bottom, as well as at the top. You know, if you're writing the month, the year, or something like that, there's also extra space up there at the top if you wanted to just add some extra notes or motivational comments or things like that. But this is pretty much the calendar here. The only thing I wish it didn't have so many wrinkles in it, but I see how it's folded up. And once it's on the wall, it'll be all good. It will be all good. So again, if you see something that you like in this video, it'll all be down in the description down below. But guess what? I know you guys see what's right here behind me. I got this whole light display, firework display going on behind me that actually can be controlled with a remote control. And I got that off of the TikTok shop. So, you know, if you're interested in seeing that right there and having that put someplace in your house, in your office, in your gaming room, I'll leave a link for that down in the description down below, where you can get that off of my TikTok showcase. Also right there, if you're a streamer, YouTuber, gamer, music person making music, if you're a musician, you know, or something like that, I also got this on-air sign right there off the TikTok shop too, and I'll leave that down in the description as well, so you can get that on-air sign. That sign right there is a king sign, and written in like blue, kind of like print and cursive, and then over the G and the N there's like a yellow crown or gold crown right there. I know the lighting isn't showing that up, but I got that off the TikTok shop as well. You can check that out in my showcase. I'll leave that down in the description down below. So hopefully this video will help you get your office space together, or maybe your streaming space together. So hit the subscribe button, share, like, and comment. Until next time, this is your boy J-Hen. Check out my unboxing playlist and join the channel if you want to really know what's up. And if you want to see some more behind the scenes stuff and you really want to be connected to the channel, go ahead and hit that join button down below, and then you can see some of the perks that you get for joining my channel. Check me out on TikTok, check me out on YouTube. Until next time, everybody, peace out.